Winch is engaged. Bring it up slowly. Watch the stabilizers.
Copy that. ROV, confirm latch status on line 3.
All right, team, secure the forward chains. Double check the starboard stabilizers now.
All right, team, let's focus on the structural integrity points first.
I'm seeing some stress fractures here near the center bogey.
The corrosion here is deeper than anticipated.
The AR confirms significant stress at node 7. We need to prioritize this section.